Hi everyone, it is Andrea, and I feel like it's like a long time no see type situation because it's been a while since I have filmed a video, since we've had a standard new releases, but this week, I mean, it's so good. We have some new things kind of going on, some farewells, some hellos, but we'll get into those very shortly. Also, the mystery reveal will be up on Wednesday if y'all were waiting on that. We will be dropping those off at the post office on Tuesday. Labels were printed today, Monday. So first things first, let's go ahead and go over the freebies. These will be going out with orders starting March 1st through the month of March. So the first thing here in all orders will be the journaling card. This is the farm art, exclusive art. There's a kit of this. If you missed it, it is still in shop. The the all orders freebie includes the journaling card and then 4 pieces of foil. Then the $75 plus, I just went and designed this. It's not really like a standard size, but I just was like, you know what I want? Some really cute little glitter boxes. So I went ahead and just whipped these up as a $75 plus freebie. I thought they'd be cute for all different spreads, and I loved the glitter vibes. And then I also did like where the stroke is like a solid version of the color. I thought that looks really cute. I don't know, I was just feeling crafty and different. Then for the $150 freebie, it's going to be a random foil bundle, and then for the $300 plus freebie, it's going to be a random ultimate kit as per usual. So that is the freebies for the month of March. I feel like they give March vibes with the greens and such, so that is the first thing. The second thing we'll go through is the new doodles. A lot of these were requested. So the first one here is $8.60, which is a cheesesteak. $8.61, which is a penny. $8.62, some pierogies. $8.63, s'mores. $8.64, a like Animal Crossing leaf. $8.65 is going to be 4 different green colors of the Animal Crossing leaf. $8.66, mochi donuts. $8.67, some dishwashing icons, and then $8.68, which is a little alarm clock. So those are the new doodles that will be coming to the shop this week. The next thing is we do have 2 new characters coming this week. We have good old Luffy and then also Marie, which I love Marie. So this is 166 and 167. Then this is going to be the character. So it's like a little swimming scribbler, and this is 81, 1 through 6, of course. And she has on like a little flamingo floaty, which is very, very cute. Perfect for the pool, which is coming up here shortly in the Texas time. Some days it's like 80, some days it's like 30. It depends on which day. You never know. And this is where some changes are coming into play. This is Color of the Week number 100, and this is going to be the end of Color of the Weeks as we know it. So something different is coming next week, and I'm excited to show you. It's the same but different. So this is color number 100. It's going to be the last number that there is of Color of the Weeks. So this is a like a starry, glittery gold. It comes in the normal a la carte scribblers. So you have 1 through 6 here. And then you have your normal 15 pages here of the doodles. You can buy these a la carte, or you can buy them as a buy all bundle. So that is the Color of the Week number 100. Then we'll go into the foil bundles. So I have 2 of these really cute floral foil bundles that are going to come to the shop this week. I think that did this premiere in the January mystery, maybe. I don't remember, but anyways, it's like a daisy pattern. I do have one in this really pretty light purple, which I think will go really nicely with this kit. It's like a really close match to this purple. And then we also do have sparkly hollow, which I also think would be really pretty with this kit as well, which we will get into that kit in a couple of minutes. Let's go ahead and show it to you in purple because I think it might be a little bit easier to see. So these foil bundles will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern along with the rest of the new releases, and they are on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday. So you have your full boxes here. So you have your 6 full box overlays and your header overlays, 2 pages of that. You have the daisy underlays, 2 pages of those. You have the icons and the scripts. I think this is technically, is this lilac? It might be. And then this is the one with the hole reinforcers, the headers, the deco, date numbers, and the bottom washi overlays. So yeah, I think this did premiere in January. So This purple will be really pretty for a lot of spring and summertime spreads. And again, I think it will go really pretty with the kit I'm going to show you next. So this week we'll be coming to the shop will be the, I think this is technically lilac. I'll have to double check, or lavender. And then this is the sparkly hollow. So those will be coming to the shop Wednesday as well. Then let's get into the kits for this week. So let's go ahead and go over this one first since I showed it to you. So I'm pretty sure that I named it something different, but it says March Mystery 2023 on the side. I just forgot to change the name of it, but that's what it was, March Mystery 2023. But I think I named it Remembering. I don't remember. I will have it on Instagram, and it might actually already be on Instagram. I'm not sure, but it's a reformat, a highly loved kit from last year's mystery lineup, and I'm obsessed with it. I used it last year and it turned out so perfect. I used it in November, and I just think it's a really nice anytime kit, but also a nice way to mark something kind of sad, whether it's love related or a loss related. For being in the medium, the mini or the ultimate kit is going to be that tall box there. But it's a really pretty kit, but I also feel like you could just use it anytime. It's just very, very pretty and very vibey. Also would look really pretty with the what's it called, butterfly foil bundle that we have in shop. So let's go over some new additions. So not new is Label and Label 2, but coming in new is Doodle and Doodle 2. So excited for Doodle 2. I asked y'all what you think is kind of missing from Doodle 1, and y'all gave me a lot of great suggestions. There was maybe 2 in there that you could probably guess, which I was I need personally. But I am obsessed with Doodle number 2. They're still going to be sold a la carte, so if you're just all about the OG doodles, that will still be available. But if you want some extra options, or if these ones maybe suit you better, that is available as well. Another new addition is going to be full boxes that are more overlay friendly. I'm probably going to call them pattern boxes because for the most part they probably will be patterns. This one just so happens to also have a scene in it. But I did do something like this for World Tour and y'all really loved it. It sold super well. So I thought this would be great, especially for quote boxes that are bigger, or if you just need some extra boxes. This is great, or maybe if you want to cut it up and use it as washi. Ombre is the same. There is not going to be any more functional. Honestly, it just did not sell very well. Ombre is another one that doesn't sell super well, but it sells well enough to keep it, if that makes any sense. So that is the bye-bye, but we got some good hellos. And then another new hello is going to be the Scribbler add-ons. I will say with having all of these add-ons, there's going to be a lot of add-ons per kit. I will probably be discontinuing add-ons a little bit quicker than I have in the past, just for space reasons, if I'm being honest with you. So they probably won't stay in shop as long, but as always, I do give a warning on Instagram, and I usually put it on the front page as to usually a 2-week notice of these add-ons are leaving shop. So there will be a Scribbler 1 through 6 in the colors that match the kit, which I think are super, super fun. And I'm excited to have them. I did that first with Black History, and I love the way that that turned out. And then just something normal is the FAMs. So this one has FAM 1, 2, 3. And then for the similar skin tones, I did change up the hair options. So between all of the light skin tone options, there are the different hair colors. And then for the medium and dark, we do have, I think they're the same actually, the purple color, but lots of different hair colors for the top right. But I love this box here. And normally I don't do tall boxes with waist up, but the details in this fashion option are just so stinking stunning, and I'm obsessed with all of it. So that is a new look at some of the new things coming. And like I said, Color of the Week is changing next week. I already had this one planned, but I'm very excited to show you what the new vibes are. The next kit here we do have is Little One, which is so pretty. It's a very Kit and Chest filled week. I decided to go with the pastel option. I may do the neutral option in the future, but the last couple baby kits I did were kind of more neutral, the ones that are in shop, so I thought the pastel one was really pretty. So stinking cute. I love these colors. Something a little different. I debated on putting the peach in the kit, but I really liked these colors together, especially because they seem more kind of I don't know, the end of the spectrum of the rainbow. I thought they were really pretty. I love them. I think they're very, very cute. I love that box and the bottom washi where you have like the rainbow and then the grid rainbow, and then the freebie in the ultimate and the mini is the baby blank arrived, which I think would be cute with like a little scripty poo, or you could just write it in there. Love that. Sad that I won't ever really get to use it. I probably will like save it, and then if a friend has a baby, I will use it. So let's hope that somebody has a baby soon so I can use it. Then again, add-ons, we do have the label 2 and label 3. So we have like the more like peachy pink color and then the like orangey peach. There is also the doodle and doodle 2, as well as the pattern boxes, which you could see here are more like patterns. Then we also do have the ombre. This one has the scribblers, again, 1 through 6 in all of the different colors. Let me give you a little look. It's the same one that's in the color of the week, but you got the different colors for the kit. There is also in this one some like kiddo boxes. I'm just going to call them fashion 1 through 3. So this is 1. So you have I'm a big brother, I'm a big sister. You have a 1 baby and then some little twins. Also be cute if like maybe you and your friend are having a baby around the same time. Be very cute as well. So you have 1, 2, and 3. And then there is also fan boxes. This is probably the most add-ons we've ever had for a collection ever. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute, and I am obsessed with this one. I think this would be really, really cute with a standard hollow or standard hollow lavender hollow. I think lavender hollow would be really pretty because of the purples, but overall obsessed. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm obsessed with this. It's so good. So do we. So we have an Eid kit this year, which is very, very exciting. I believe that's how I pronounce it. Eid Mubarak. I tried looking it up. I can't even pronounce half of the words I know, let alone the new ones. I'm trying. If you want to give me a phonetics down below, I'd appreciate it, as per always. So I'm obsessed with this. I just am like, the gold with these like jewel tone colors is everything. And I love Jess for being super inclusive and giving us this art so we can make a kit with it. So I'm obsessed. I think it's so, so good. So this is the celebration at the end of Ramadan, and I am just so obsessed. Again, these colors are so good. I feel like the only answer for this is gold or gold champagne lights, or just champagne lights in general. And we have so many foil bundles in champagne lights. Like a star one would be so pretty with this, or like stars and moons, like a celestial would be so beautiful. And it's just so good. So you have the freebie and the ultimate and mini here. Sorry if I'm like, feel like I'm looking around, but I'm trying to see if one of my children are actually in bed taking a nap or not. And I'm thinking that he is not. I can't tell. I can never tell if he's like a pillow or not. I have to go check on him then. But I'm obsessed with this. I think it looks so pretty. And Hannah also came out with some overlays too that would go perfectly with this. If I remember, I will link them down below. There's also the mini kit, and then we're looking at a thick stack here. So we do have the label. We have label 2, which is this really pretty, like powdery muted blue, which I feel like you could add in, or you could kind of like maybe remove a color. If I removed a color, it would probably be like this one maybe, but I think adding it in would be pretty as well. You have Doodle and Doodle 2, and then you do also have the pattern boxes, which are really pretty. Again, you have like 3 patterns, and this one's kind of more of like from the scene, but looks like a pattern, you know. You have ombre, and then we also do have these scribblers, so scribblers 1 through 6, and then we also do have fan boxes. There's no tall box, but they're all just like regular full box size. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that, my friends, is everything for this week. I am obsessed. I hope that you are too. Let me know in the comments down below what you plan on picking up. Let me know if you're excited for the mystery reveal on Wednesday. This one is just so good. So, so good. I think a lot of people are going to be like in desperate need of some doubles of the mystery kit this month because it is so stunning, and I am so excited for it. Also, don't forget that the new freebies start on the 1st, which will be Friday. And I think that's everything for now. But I hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.